Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to sample something new on Trader Joe's aisle called Trader Joe's vanilla flavored Baton wafer cookies. We have already
we tried the
cocoa Baton. And so now we're trying the vanilla. My French is a little rusty, so I don't know. I think it's vanille. I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to try the vanilla flavor of these cookies. There are 6 servings per container, and a serving is 2 pieces, 2 of these cookies. Okay, there are 120 calories in the serving. Total fat 6 grams, cholesterol 0, 40 milligrams of sodium, 16 grams of total carbohydrates. And for those of you who are looking for something that's gluten-free, I have to say you'll be out of luck. This is not gluten-free. The first ingredient, wheat flour, okay, unbleached enriched flour. And it does make a note here, it contains milk, soy, and wheat. So, but anyway, so there we have it. So, you ready to taste this?
yes I am.
Okay, let's give this a pop. Open it up here. Okay, this is a nice container. You do a lot of do-it-yourself projects, you can use this container to store things in. Okay. If you have children at home who have crayons and markers, great place to put them. Oh, all right.
Okay.
Oh, well, here we are. As you can see, these are a nice length here. All right, and inside it's filled with, I don't know if you can see that, it's filled with little vanilla cream. See, they say they're wafer cookies filled with vanilla flavored cream. So, ready to give it a taste?
Yeah.
This will be good with a cup of coffee. All right, on a scale of 1 to 4, 1 meaning I'll give this a hard pass. A 4 means I will purchase this again, oops, for my own personal consumption. I'll give these cookies a 4. I love vanilla.
What?
I love vanilla.
No!
And I'm thinking this will be good with a cup of coffee. You know, wake up in the morning, sipping your coffee, watching the news.
What's this?
Have a little bit here. What do you think?
I give these a 2.
Good Lord, man, what's wrong with you? Okay, why a 2?
They aren't terrible, but I wouldn't eat them really again. They just don't.
Good. More for me.
I need a second taste.
So really, no, continue. What are you saying?
They just don't have a taste that I would eat. You know, it's vanilla. The cocoa batons, they tasted better than these.
Oh.
I'd get those.
Yeah, the vanilla in here, it's sweet. It's really sweet. This is a sweet cookie. And 10 grams of total sugars. Okay. And that's why I said it tastes good with coffee. Nice balance. Balance out that sweet with a little bitter taste of goodness. Well, anyway, so that's that. You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and get another one.
Taste.
Yeah, see if we could bump that 2 up to a 4. Well, that's okay. I will buy them for myself and more for me, none for him. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up.
Wait. If you like good cookies, like this video and subscribe to my channel.
All right.
Tankmanjoe on YouTube.
I love that self-promotion. Go Dodgers. All right. Anyway, until next time.